Hey, welcome back to Skip's Place. Well, check this out. So, the whole time we've lived here, one of our neighbors just simply wasn't a good neighbor. They're very dirty. They were hoarders, to be very honest. Um, but unfortunately, something very sad happened. They had, um, according to the fire department reports, it was some sort of electrical fire, I guess, on the south wall. Well, so it's completely burned down. The whole south end of it is burned out. I'll add some pictures. The other day, they showed up, and it was a crew that was putting a fence around it. Apparently, they're going to start this week and demo this house. Sweet. Hell yeah. It's exciting. Here, I'll get you some little bit of this side. You can't really see much over here. I mean, it's boarded up, but apparently they're going to clean the yard up too, which that's nice. Like I said, unfortunately this lady was a hoarder, but so there's stuff everywhere and the house is full. But this is what we've had to live next to. As soon as they leave, I'll go around the other side and show you. And everything's open now. Maybe we'll peek inside. And so it begins. There's a track hoe. So exciting. There's the owner of the company. Nice gentleman. I don't know the name of his company here. He said they didn't know it was going to rain, which that's fine. It'll help keep the dust down though, so that's cool. This is exciting. We've been waiting for this thing to get tore down or whatever they're going to do with it. So, let's see how it goes. Hell yeah. It's a little stressful having that done next to your house though, because one little screw up and it could be very expensive for him. That's for sure. But since we're out here, look at my yard. Since the hole's been filled, the pool's gone, my grass is coming in slowly. Look at all of it. I've almost have a yard here. Looking pretty good. It's almost down. Hell yes. Hell yeah. Well, it's about 2 o'clock. He's about got that sumbitch pulled in. What a nice job. I like it. I like it. Hey, hell yeah, that's a huge pile back there. They're gonna take the shed and everything out. That old shitty carport. Hell yeah. He said they'll start loading the dumpsters tomorrow. You can't get to the front because of the beam. But that'll be badass. I'm excited to see it gone. Okay, it's the next morning. Come on, let's look over here real quick. What's it gonna hurt, right? Well, they're definitely tearing it down. That's one day down. This house was so full of stuff. Like I said, the lady was a hoarder. It's pretty sad. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Pretty wild. It really didn't take him that long. I mean, he was here all afternoon yesterday, but for doing what he's doing, I sure wouldn't think that that's overly too much time. That is crazy. Completely demoed. The dude did a good job. I'm gonna tell you what, I would have liked to get some of the junk out of this house, to even just the scrap metal. Holy crap. I can't imagine how much junk was in there. Hey, look at that. Whoop, whoop. It's pretty neat. Okay, it's the end of the second day. Let's check it out. Oh, the whole damn thing's down. Hold on. This is the end of the second day. The whole thing is gone. Boy, we're on the steps. Wow. And I think they've already taken one dumpster. The whole shed's going back there. They've already taken the shed out and the carport. All the pool and all that junk's done. Look at the wall. It's completely scorched. It's pretty crazy. Still all this out here, but that's not much left. Pretty gross. It stinks terribly bad. All this out here. Not bad though, but I'm pretty sure they said he thought it would take 6 dumpsters. All right, here's day 3. Let's go check this sucker out. There ain't no dumpsters over here, so it looks like he got most of it. Let's check it out. Wow. Goodness. It's spotless everywhere around. We did a heck of a good job. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. They left one window. Heck yeah. All that looks good. I mean, the rest of it they'll come in and do, unless he'll do it, but I'm assuming that they will pick this up tomorrow. But I have no more complaints about that. Now we just have to see what the supposedly it's owned by a rental company. So we'll see what the rental company does with it. I'm assuming they'll probably sell it as a vacant lot, because if they rent it out, they're never going to get what they want out of it. It's pretty fun crazy. Pretty wild. Hey, good evening, everybody. Man, I got the queen with me tonight. We're gonna try to close this video out for you. It's been a wild couple of days. This house they tore down has been it's been an eyesore for a while. So it's pretty nice to have it gone. But what a difference! It'll be weird getting used to an empty hole next door. It's still weird getting used to not having a big pool hole in the backyard. Mm-hmm. So that'll be weird driving up and there's just no house. But the smell will be gone and everything else. But we were just going to talk for a minute that we're going to have some travel material coming up here. We're going to go on a large camp out trip to South Dakota here next week. And gonna go enjoy South Dakota and the Black Hills and all over out there. So we'll have hopefully that might be a couple of parts in the video. I don't know that we can do it all in one, but we're gonna have the Andes along. Andes, Roach will be along. Yep. It's 4 days.
See, we'll leave Thursday and come back Sunday.
Okay, so we'll leave Thursday that night after everybody gets off work, and we'll ride up to South Dakota or
Grand Island.
Yeah, Grand Island, Nebraska, and stay in a hotel the first night. since it'll be late when we roll in. We don't want to have to set up in the dark. And then the next day we roll out to South Dakota to Wall, South Dakota to what was the name of that campground? We're camping in Sleepy Hollow Campground in Wall, South Dakota. So it's about an hour from everything. So it should be a nice little trip up there. None of us have ever all been up there that I know of.
I haven't been to the Badlands and the places we're going.
Yeah.
But I've been through there.
Rushmore, we'll be at Rushmore and all kinds of stuff. So it'll be an experience for us all. But we'll have our regular footage coming up with that. We just our season's really getting to start here. We got a big ride in June, another ride in July, quite a few. We have cave rides every month for the year. I'll lead a ride every month to a different cave, whether we tour it or just go check it out and ride back. Or
I think we're going to different states every month this summer. So.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, we'll be in almost a different state every month this summer. Well, for the rest of the year till about October. But we ride all year, so we ride well into the wintertime, unless it's icy. But other than that, and the weather's getting nice. Lots of people out, lots of bikes out now. We've had quite a bit of rain, but everybody needs to be safe. Make sure you're looking out for people, and make sure, because they ain't looking out for us. So
potholes, folks. Kansas City potholes.
Can't say much about those. I'm just here to tell you, don't hit that shit on a bike, because I blew out a shock. Well, yeah, I guess last year we blew out a shock. It was at nighttime.
One year before that, we broke a rim on the tire. Bent a rim.
Yeah, we bent a wheel. Yeah, they'll sneak up on you. And we ride a lot at night. You guys know that. So we definitely got to watch out for that. But y'all, either way, enjoy the weather and everybody be safe. Like I said, we got new footage coming. Please like, subscribe, and share. Make sure you try to watch the whole video. I think that's the only way it counts. But we sure are happy to have you along and enjoying the ride we're on, because you really don't ever know what you're going to get at Skip's place. You just, man, I'm into something every day. But either way, until the next time, y'all keep the two wheels rolling.
Stay blessed.
We'll catch you soon.
Bye.